national capital, and this is with regards to the AQI dipping. Delhi's post-Diwali air quality now plunges to a 5-year low, CPCB data has revealed. Now, Delhi's 24-hour average AQI at 4 p.m. on Monday was in the very poor category at 345. Delhi's air quality deteriorated sharply after Diwali, with fine particulate matter, that is the PM 2.5 levels, surging to their highest in 5 years, according to an analysis given by the Central Pollution Control Board data at this point. So these are some of the visuals as well that we're bringing to you from different parts of Delhi. Amit Bhardwaj joins us from Akshardham at this point to bring us more details and updates on the current AQI condition. Let's quickly listen into what he has to say. Amit, very good morning to you. Let's understand what exactly do you see at this point at Akshardham. What is the situation like? How bad is the blanket of smog this morning?
Shreya, this is certainly a hazy morning. I don't know about good or bad, but this is certainly not good for our lungs, and especially the elderly, the children, and those who have respiratory disease. And we have data to back it now as well. The final data of the CPCB is out, and what we see is that there was surge of 49 points between your pre-Diwali festivities and the Diwali festivities. So on October 19th, the CPCB data shows that the overall AQI of Delhi was 296, and October 20th, when Diwali festivities happened, the overall AQI data for Delhi was 345, which clearly shows 49 points of jump. And October 21st happens to be the worst AQI day of Delhi till date, when the AQI was recorded 351, which is yesterday. So slight change in Diwali and post-Diwali days, 345, 351, but the difference surge between the pre-Diwali festivities and the Diwali day is certainly something that cannot be ignored, and the authorities and experts must be also looking at it. For common people, right behind me is Akshardham temple, completely submerged in blanket of pollution. I would say it's hazy, the clarity has gone down. On normal days, or rather had you been here on October 7th or October 8th or October 9th for that matter, the view would have been crystal clear, possibly the one everyone would have loved, because it is to be noted that it is the same October when October 7th recorded AQI in 70s, and then October 8th had AQI in 80s. So you had absolutely best air quality possible in Delhi in the same month of October, where we are actually talking about health hazard that is looming large on the people of Delhi. Wherever the camera would pan, all you will see is a blanket of smog that has covered the entirety of Delhi, and not just Delhi but also NCR regions. And if you compare it with data of the past years as well, it certainly shows as to how the impact of possibly easing of the firecrackers led to this particular situation in the national capital. The several people who are in charge of system and have responsibilities on their shoulders might be trying to look in the other direction, but the data certainly suggests something else. It is for the experts now to decode as to why between the pre-Diwali festivities and Diwali day we saw a surge of 49 points. That is something very important to note at this point in time. Having said that, Shreya, the climatic conditions in the national capital or northern India is already not favorable, especially for spots like Delhi, which are notorious in terms of air pollution. So the climate experts, weather experts and the health experts had very much told us in prior that this winter is going to be difficult. It's going to be longer winter as well as difficult one for the residents of the National Capital Region in context to pollution, because the climatic conditions are not very favorable for Delhi.
Right.
The only relief, a sense of relief that Delhi is noticing is the wind flow since yesterday. Back to you, Shreya.
Amit, absolutely. Do stay with us at this point as we just take our viewers through all that's happening in the national capital, not just in terms of pollution, viewers, but also in terms of politics that's now escalating, the blame game that's escalating over this very air pollution and the air quality of the national capital. This time, let us tell you, as we're just mentioning, it's not just about pollution. It's about politics, it's about perception, it's about the state of Punjab. The Delhi Environment Minister laid the blame squarely on the neighbouring state, blaming Punjab at this point. In an exclusive conversation with India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, Manjinder Singh Sirsa has alleged that pollution is rising due to the Parali burning, calling it a plot by the Aam Aadmi Party to malign Hindus and defame Diwali. Sirsa insists that Diwali has no role in Delhi's pollution. Countering Aam Aadmi Party's Saurabh Bhardwaj slammed the BJP for lying and playing politics over people's lungs. He's called the charge shameful, saying that blaming Sikh farmers is a sin. Farmers cannot plot to defame Diwali. Congress, on the other hand, has fired at both sides, calling the pollution crisis a governance failure, and the grand old party questions both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP for what have they done for farmers. Meanwhile, on the ground, Delhi's civic body says efforts are already underway, be it anti-smog guns or mechanical sweepers to water sprinklers. Everything is being implemented at this given point.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? किसी भी पंजाब के किसान को, जो कि एक सिख प्रधान राज्य है, किसी पे कितना भी दबाव बने, वो दिवाली को बदनाम करने के लिए पराली नहीं जला सकता। पंजाब में पराली तो जल ही नहीं रही है। पिछले 5 सालों का सबसे कम आंकड़ा चल रहा है। मात्र 353 केस हुए अभी तक पूरे साल में। उस पर आपके पास कोई जवाब नहीं था। पंजाब के अंदर AQI 150 है, दिल्ली के अंदर 400 है। आप कह रहे हैं पंजाब की वजह से हो गया। इस तरीके से पंजाब के सिख किसानों को बदनाम मत कीजिए।
दिल्ली सरकार और म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन सब और बाकी जितनी एजेंसीज हैं दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही हैं। आप देखिए कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो फैसला दिया है ग्रीन क्रैकर्स का, सभी लोगों ने बहुत ही आनंद के साथ, खुशी के साथ, खेड़े के साथ दिवाली त्यौहार को सेलिब्रेट किया। और दिल्ली की जनता को मैं अप्रिशिएट भी करता हूँ, जिन्होंने बहुत ही कंट्रोल वे से क्रैकर्स, जो ग्रीन क्रैकर्स हैं, उनको जलाए। ये सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी आप देखिए कि पिछले दिवाली की जो रिपोर्ट थी उससे हमारा पोल्यूशन काफ़ी कम है।
मनजिंदर सिरसा जी, माना कि आप अपनी सियासत चमकाने के लिए दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री की चापलूसी करना चाहते हो, पर चापलूसी में इतने भी अंधा मत हो कि आप पंजाब और पंजाब के किसानों को बदनाम करेंगे। आप दिल्ली के पोल्यूशन के लिए पंजाब के किसान को और पराली जलाने को आप जिम्मेवार ठहरा रहे हैं। आज पंजाब का तो AQI लेवल सिर्फ 150 है और दिल्ली का 1000 है। तो यदि पंजाब की पराली उसके लिए जिम्मेदार है, तो पंजाब में AQI लेवल इतना कम क्यों है और दिल्ली में इतना ज़्यादा क्यों है?
भले ही दिल्ली में सरकार बदली है, आम आदमी पार्टी को हटाकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार में आई है, लेकिन दोनों सरकारों का काम करने का रवैया लगभग वही है कि दूसरी सरकारों को कोसना, अन्य राज्यों को कोसना। आज तो दिल्ली में नीचे से ऊपर तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, फिर क्या कारण है कि आज भी AQI जो है वो 500 तक पहुंच रहा है?
इन दोनों राजनीतिक दलों को कहूंगी, डूब मरिए। दिल्ली का दम घुट रहा है। आपकी नाकामी, आपकी विफलताओं के कारण ये दम घुट रहा है। कौन गया था कोर्ट पाबंदी हटाने के लिए? और माफी चाहूंगी, लगता है कोर्ट ने भी बिना ये देखे कि सरकार की क्या तैयारी है, अगर ऐसी स्थिति पैदा होगी तो क्या होगा, राजनीति होगी या उसके उपाय किए जाएंगे। दबाव में पाबंदी हटा दी गई और आज दिल्ली का दम घुट रहा है, काला आसमान हो चुका है। अस्पताल बच्चे जो जिनको सांस का है, बुजुर्ग पहुंचने शुरू हो गए हैं। कौन जिम्मेदारी लेगा आज?